जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं।
పరమహంస నిత్యానంద ఈ శతాబ్దపు మరువలేని పోలికలేని ఒక ఆధ్యాత్మిక శక్తి, ఒక అంతర్జాతీయ సాంఘిక ఆధ్యాత్మిక ప్రభంజనాన్ని స్థాపించిన ఒక అద్భుత శక్తి, వైదిక ధర్మాన్ని పునరుద్ధరించడానికి ఉద్భవించిన ఒక చైతన్య శక్తి. ఆయన అతి పవిత్రమైన తిరువణ్ణామలై క్షేత్రంలో జన్మించారు. ఒక యోగిగా జన్మించి తనలో సహజంగానే పొంగి పొర్లే ఆధ్యాత్మికతను కోట్ల మందికి పంచుతూ స్ఫూర్తినిచ్చే ఒక అమోఘ శక్తి. అతి పురాతనమైన యోగా విద్యలో ప్రావీణ్యం కలిగి ఆధ్యాత్మిక శాస్త్రాన్ని క్షుణ్ణంగా పరిశోధన చేసిన ఒక మహాద్భుతమైన అంతఃప్రపంచపు పరిశోధకులు, ఆత్మజ్ఞానాన్ని ప్రసాదించే గురువులు. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం పరమహంస నిత్యానంద ఆయన జ్ఞానామృతాన్ని, ఆనందం వెదజల్లే ఆయన చిరునవ్వుని, తిరుగులేని ఆయన దీక్ష యొక్క శక్తిని 1 కోటికి పైగా ఉన్న ఆయన శిష్యులకు పంచుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు పరమహంస నిత్యానంద మీరు జీవన్ముక్తులుగా జీవించడానికి తోడ్పడే పరిష్కారాలను మీకు అందజేస్తున్నారు. ఒక మరువలేని ఆధ్యాత్మిక అనుభవం కొరకు మమ్మల్ని వెంటనే సంప్రదించండి.
వందే సనాతనం పుణ్యం నిత్యానందాయ స్వాగతం. సర్వధర్మ ప్రణేతారం సచ్చిదానంద రూపిణం వందే సనాతనం పుణ్యం నిత్యానందాయ స్వాగతం. వేద వేదాంత సంవేద్యం దేవదేవీ స్వరూపిణం వందే వటపలాశిస్థం.
Keeping yourself open for all possibilities, whether the wealth or health or enlightenment, fortune, all the auspicious things in the life, keeping your possibility open, keeping the being open for any of this. Sometimes I have seen people losing just because they are not open, just because of their narrow ideas. Sometimes even if they understand, they cannot put their foot down immediately. The decision making, they may need to encounter the life. Few people. So you seal the possibility. Let me define. Please understand this word once more. Keeping all the possibility open. That's the first thing. Second, not postponing or delaying. Shutting the possibilities down because you cannot encounter, face certain situation. Just yesterday I was talking about one disciple who asked me that I want to be your Meera. I can see the whole difficulty in that person is the difficulty to face the immediate situations, encountering the immediate situations. So just that person has to put up with the flow. Many times I have seen human beings put up with the flow of life or the social flow because They do not keep themselves open to the possibility, or they are afraid to encounter the life situation immediately if they keep themselves open. I can give you 101 example. Health, wealth, transformation. Keeping the belief, trust that possibility is there is dharma, flow of life. Unfortunately, by and by you start believing the possibility itself does not exist. Believing possibility for further progress does not exist is defined as Rahu in astrology. Whenever your muscles have lost the faith, it cannot recover from the disease, it is Rahu. Just yesterday, I was telling to one of my ashramite whom I am healing, I said, I'll heal you, I'll cut through this whole pattern and biomemory, but visit one Rahu temple. There is one Rahu temple, very famous Rahu temple near Kumbakonam. I said, go and have darshan in the temple and come back, because that energy field removes your strong negative faith. When you shut down, no, transformation is not possible for me, you are suffering with Rahu. When you shut down, wealth is not possible for me, you are suffering with Rahu. Shutting down the possibility is adharma. Whenever you shut the possibility, you suffer with Rahu. Suffering, Rahu and Guru are complete opposite. Guru keeps even small possibilities open. I tell you, these sad gurus who close the possibility of healing. What do you mean? The healing is not possible and it should not be done. All this nonsense. When a cat gives birth to a kitten and licks the kitten, healing starts there. The loving touch of the mother's tongue on the kitten, healing starts there. God saved the cats and kitten because they don't understand the sad guru's language. Atheists and the sad gurus are one and the same. Shutting down any possibility, shutting down any hope is atheism. Keeping all hopes alive, even if it is false hope. Understand? All hopes lead you to hopelessness, not because they are false hope, to lead you to reality. All hopes lead you to hopelessness, not because hopes are false hopes, but to lead you to reality. Hopes, by its very innate intelligence, lead you to reality. So keep all the hopes alive. Keep all the possibilities alive. See, the big problem is,
కల్పతరు అద్భుతమైన ఆరోగ్యాన్ని ప్రసాదించే దీవెనలను అందుకోండి. అన్ని రకాల అనారోగ్యాలకు గల మూల కారణాలను తొలగించండి. మీలోని శక్తిని 1300% పెంచండి. కల్పతరు అనే ఈ ఒక్కరోజు కార్యక్రమం మీ అనారోగ్యాన్ని తొలగించే శక్తివంతమైన కార్యక్రమం. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొని ధ్యానం మరియు దీక్ష యొక్క శక్తిని పొందండి. మీలోని కుండలిని శక్తిని మేల్కొల్పి మీ శారీరక మానసిక ఆరోగ్యాన్ని మెరుగుపరిచే అమోఘమైన కార్యక్రమం కల్పతరు. ప్రతి వారాంతములో కల్పతరు కార్యక్రమం బిడిది ఆశ్రమంలో నిర్వహించబడును. మమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించవలసిన చిరునామా: నిత్యానంద ధ్యానపీఠం, నిత్యానంద నగర్, బిడది 562109, బెంగళూరు. ఫోన్ చేయవలసిన నంబరు 095500000550 లేదా 0961 85190701. మా వెబ్సైట్ www.nityananda.org.
See, the big problem is when these guys abuse the healing, the possibility for healing is closed for millions of people. If you don't believe, you don't believe, let the door be closed for you. Why are you closing the doors for millions of people? Don't close the possibilities. Even though, just to throw challenge to these fellows, I said, I don't want to even close the possibility of the worships they are doing. See, every worship, everything is a possibility. Krishna says very beautifully, even though there are some people who worship things which is not described in Agama, don't disturb their trust or faith. We believe and we live. We live. We believe and we live. We be. We be. We live. We believe. Vedic tradition. Which has a great heart to encourage every possibility and hope. So I wanted to send this clear message to these sad gurus. You help whoever you can. Don't close the possibility of others helping them. And I also assure, I will never close the possibility of people receiving help from you or anybody. I am not the person who will close any possibility. All possibilities are like sprouting plant, just coming out, the budding. It should be treated with a lot of love and respect. Every hope, every faith, every trust, every even little hope should be kept alive, encouraged, enriched. That is Dharma. Very beautifully Manu is describing, so beautifully. He has kept the possibility for updating alive. Very beautifully he describes who all can gather together and update whatever he wrote. Upgrade. Very beautifully he describes. Very honest way of keeping the rules alive. If I can create at least 10,000 people of Kashmiri Pandits' DNA structure and at least 100 people of the Manu's caliber, the Sampradaya which I create will live forever, will never die. And this possibility for enlightenment in the Kali Yuga will be revived and kept alive as a living stream forever. I want all of you to become Manu, so that this spirit is kept alive. And each one of you create set of rules and regulations on your own when you become head. First 100 people understand this spirit and evolve a group of responsible, committed individuals. That is enough. After that, no need for any rule. Just 100 people. The DNA programming of like Kashmiri Pandit happens, that's enough. Then living this Dharma will just be like a lifestyle. It will never die. It will never die. How much ever the Adharma is preached all over the world, possibilities are shut down, closed all over the world, Dharma will never die. Just if the 100 people, that's all it takes. Because each person whose all decisions are from the transformed inner space inspires thousands of people. Other than no human trafficking, no other rule should be solid. Because whenever you create a solid rules, some possibilities gets shadowed. The possibilities gets unexplored. By the rigid rules, the many possibilities getting explored gets stopped, banned. Whenever the possibilities are shut down, hopes are reduced, I happen to open and fill everybody with all hopes, awaken all the possibilities and all the hopes.
ఒక అవతార పురుషుని దివ్య సలహాను నేరుగా పొందాలనుకుంటున్నారా? ఇప్పుడు మీకు పరమహంసతో ముఖాముఖి.
నిత్యానంద హియర్.
పరమహంస నిత్యానంద మరొక్కసారి పోలిక లేని ఒక విభిన్నమైన కానుకను ప్రపంచానికి అందచేస్తున్నారు. ఆయన ఇప్పుడు ప్రతిరోజు ఉదయం ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారమయ్యే సత్సంగంలో మీ ప్రశ్నలకి జవాబు ఇవ్వడానికి సిద్ధముగా ఉన్నారు.
No, you ask anything you want in your life. Ask me any boon you want.
ఉదయం 8 గంటలకు మా నంబరు 08027279999కి ఫోన్ చేసే అదృష్టవంతులకు ఆయనతో నేరుగా మాట్లాడే దివ్యమైన అవకాశం దక్కుతుంది. మరియు ఉదయం ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారమయ్యే సత్సంగం ntv.nityananda.orgలో చూడగలరు.
Paritranaya sadhunam. The word sadhu should be clearly defined. Let me describe what all is not sadhu. Weak person is not sadhu. Is committing suicide in self-sympathy is not sadhu. Sadhu is a man who has actualized all his potential energies. With the actualization, if he is carrying the pattern of peace and joy, is sadhu. Not without actualization. No. If you don't actualize yourself, you can't claim you are a realized soul. Paritranaya sadhunam. Sadhu is a person who realized he is a sadhu, peace-loving person, even after realizing all his potential, all his possibilities. See, there is his boundary which is completely in his hand. Even though he knows anything he does in his boundary is not going to bring any problem to him, it is completely his freedom. Even after that, if he feels he wants to establish peace in his boundary, bliss in his boundary, he is sadhu. If he is not capable, he is not sadhu. Once he feels capable, if he decides not to bring peace, instead bring some other quality, then he is not sadhu. Sadhu is a person who is able, available and stable. Who is able, who is available and who is stable. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuke yuke. For the upliftment, this word sadhu should be very deeply realized, because once you understand you are a sadhu, if you are a sadhu, you can be rest assured wherever you are to protect you, it has to happen. His words have no expiry date. Because his words have no expiry date, we don't extinct. There is only birth for his words, no death. There are some things, the planet Earth, which takes birth and dies, body. There are some things which never takes birth, only dies. Ignorance. There are some things which only takes birth, never dies. Master's words. Understand, there are some things which takes birth and dies. There are some things which never takes birth, only dies. Ignorance. You can't find the source of ignorance. Why you became ignorant? Try. When you became ignorant? No. Ignorance has no birth. It has only death. When it dies, you will become enlightened. That's all. But there is no birth. Same way, there are some things which only takes birth and no death. Master's words. These words have no expiry date. Even if all the 100 people around you don't believe these words, you are the only one who is stuck believing these words. Even then, these words have no expiry date. They happen. They appear. Because Krishna's word has no expiry date. You just continue to be a sadhu. You will see. He happens. But be very clear, sadhu is not a weak fellow who is incapable and weak. He is not sadhu. Don't call your weakness as a sadhu. No. The man who loves the space of peace in him, who loves to create the space of peace around him, is sadhu. The word sadhu, man who has realized his possibilities, powers, and feels he is centered on peace. The word paritranaya has to be understood. It is not just protecting alone, protecting, enhancing, promoting. Paritranaya sadhunam is vinashaya cha dushkritam, destroying the wicked. This is always one of the important job of all incarnations. Dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuke yuke. Establishment of the Dharma, the great science of spiritual living, the great science of inner awakening. Sambhavami yuke yuke. I happen, I manifest, age after age. Paritranaya. The technical terms I am describing.
కల్పతరు మీలోని కుండలిని శక్తిని తెలుసుకోగల ఒక ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమము కల్పతరు. పూర్తిగా ఒకరోజు జరిగే ఈ కార్యక్రమములో ఆరోగ్యకరమైన అద్భుతమైన మార్పును పొందగలరు. అవతారమూర్తి పరమహంస నిత్యానంద స్వామి వారి ఆశీస్సులను ప్రత్యేకంగా పొందగల కార్యక్రమం కల్పతరు. కుండలిని అంటే ఏమిటి? కుండలిని అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరిలోనూ దాగి ఉన్న అద్భుత శక్తి. కుండలిని శక్తి ఒక ధ్యానోదయమైన గురుదేవుల దీక్షతో చైతన్యపరచవచ్చు. ఈ కుండలిని శక్తి మీ జీవితంలో అన్ని దశలలోనూ అభివృద్ధికరమైన మార్పులను తేగలిగే శక్తి. అది మీలో ఆరోగ్యాన్ని, ఐశ్వర్యాన్ని, విజయాన్ని, ఆనందాన్ని, ఆధ్యాత్మిక ధ్యానోదయాన్ని కలిగిస్తుంది. ప్రతి వారాంతములో కల్పతరు కార్యక్రమం బిడిది ఆశ్రమంలో నిర్వహించబడును. మమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించవలసిన చిరునామా నిత్యానంద ధ్యానపీఠం, నిత్యానంద నగర్, బిడది 562109, బెంగళూరు. ఫోన్ చేయవలసిన నంబరు 095500000550 లేదా 096185190701. మా వెబ్సైట్ www.nityananda.org.
Paritranaya. The technical terms I am describing. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuke yuke. All the 8 words I have to speak 8 days. Because each word is such a perfect choice. Even if one word he missed, sambhavami, if he has stopped with it, over. The possibility for the future is gone. Hinduism would have been completely different. This verse is the foundation for the whole Hindu tradition. Every word is a perfect word. Hindu tradition is as it is today just because of this word. If he says Sambhavami, that's all, then I am the last prophet. Or I am the only begotten son. No. Yuge yuge. Age after age. He keeps the possibility open. And another one important thing. Sambhavami. Aja means taking birth. The word Sambhavami you can't translate as reborn. If he says Ajamyaham, then the word can be translated as I take birth. Here he is not saying Ajamyaham, no. He is saying Sambhavami. I happen. Sambhava means happening. So on every word, Samsthapanarthaya, the meaning of the overall verse, so that tomorrow I can dive into the technical depth of every verse. Vinashaya cha tushkrutam. Vinashaya cha means destroying the wicked. He is not using the word destruction of negativity. He says destruction of negative persons itself. He is not just saying destruction of negativity. Tushkritam. Fellows who do negative things. Dharma samsthapanarthaya. I'll expand on this verse continuously.
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि नित्यानन्दलिङ्गम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यवकुतोदयिषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः या च यशः शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्याया तमतया नो रुद्रमृडय या ते रुद्र शिवा तनोरघोर पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुहा शन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजागशीः या विशृङ्गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां गुरुमाहिगुं सेः पुरुषं जगते शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अद्य वोचदधिभक्ता प्रथमो दैव्यो विशगे अहीहश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यादुत्राण्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुणपुतभभ्रस्व मङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रुतात् सहस्रशो वै शागुं हेडयीमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहि